Which of the following were the outcomes of Lahore Indian National Congress 1929? So important sessions. As and when you study MCQs, right, you will slowly start by hearting also. Like, okay, 1929 it happened in Lahore, and that time it was Jawaharlal Nehru which was the president. Like that slowly you will study. You cannot in one shot study all the sessions and the location and the president. You cannot study. Okay. Now, resolution for self-government for the first time. Resolution for Purna Swaraj was adopted. Intention to launch civil disobedience movement was made clear. So here answer is 2 and 3 only, because self-government, okay, this was not asked for the first time in 1929. Much before that, during our Swadeshi movement and all, right, that time 1906 itself we had asked for it. So this is not suiting Lahore INC. But the Purna Swaraj concept actually Jawaharlal Nehru, he only adopted. And then intention to launch a civil disobedience. In 1931-32 time we had civil disobedience. That also was made clear. So 2 and 3 is correct. Okay. So now if you see, I have highlighted also important sessions. Resolution for self-government was raised in when? 1906 Calcutta session, where president was Dadabhai Naoroji. Like that you study 1906 Calcutta session, Dadabhai Naoroji. And what all happened? Swadeshi, right? So Swadeshi, Swarajya, boycott, national education, everything nationalizing. That was what we demanded from the British. Now resolution for complete independence was raised in 1921 Ahmedabad session by Hasrat Mohani under the presidency of Hakim Ajmal Khan. Okay. That time actually C.R. Das was supposed to be the INC president, but what happened is he was in jail. So that time Hakim Ajmal Khan took the presidentship, and that time only this independence, complete independence thing was raised. So UPSC can ask you, resolution for self-government was when? It was in 1906 session. Complete independence was when? In 1921 session. In resolution of Purna Swaraj concept was when? 1929 Lahore session, when Jawaharlal Nehru was there. Okay. 29 and 30 both, I think it was Jawaharlal Nehru, the INC president, in different locations. Every year locations will change. Okay. But president sometimes will remain the same. Now, Indians demanded nothing less than intention to launch civil, nothing less than that, okay, nothing less than Purna Swaraj, and then also the intention to launch civil disobedience movement was made clear. This much is done. Now, the flag of India was hoisted by Jawaharlal Nehru on 31st December. One thing you should know, always the INC session, right, it will happen in the December. Every year, December, it will happen. So, immediately after that session, Nehru, what he did is, he went to the banks of River Ravi, okay, in Lahore, now modern day Pakistan, the Indus River tributary, and then he hoisted the Indian flag. Now, the Congress asked the people of India to observe 26th January, okay, meaning after this, right, 31st December, 26th January 1930, they told, okay, let's make this an Independence Day, and we are now Purna Swaraj, we are independent, okay. The flag of India was hoisted publicly and everybody, it was done. But later what we did, we got independence actually when? August 15, 1947, right. But this date was important. 26th January 1930 was important. So what they did is, they made a concept called Republic Day, and Republic Day was observed on, from the 1950 onwards, we had Republic Day. Okay, before that we did not have Republic Day. We had only Independence Day. So because to memorize this, whatever Nehru did, we have Republic Day, January 26, 1950. Originally, it is January 26, 1930. We hoisted the flag in banks of River Ravi. Okay. Now, resolution on fundamental rights and economic program was drafted by Jawaharlal Nehru in 1931 Karachi session. Okay, and this time who is the president? It is Vallabhbhai Patel. 1931 Karachi session is, president is Vallabhbhai Patel. That time, resolution on fundamental right and economic program. This is what you have to by heart. This was drafted. Then we have the Gandhi-Irwin Pact that time, after the roundtable conference and all, was endorsed here. And Gandhiji was nominated to represent Congress in the second roundtable conference. So all this happened during the Vallabhbhai Patel. So each session had some important outcomes. That is what I am teaching you. Then after that, you know, in 1938 and 39, right? 1938 in Haripura and 1939 in Tripuri, I think. In both the places, Subhash Chandra Bose was the president. So that time, resolution was made to throw out British within 6 months. Okay, 1938. Then the National Planning Committee was formed. And he also advocated for introducing Roman script for Hindi language. So this is what happened in Subhash Chandra Bose presidentship. So everyone tried to do different outcomes, and this is very important MCQ. This has been asked in the past. Each of these facts has been asked in the past in UPSC, in PSC exams, in other police constable exams. I have seen these questions. Okay, so that is why this MCQ, and every MCQ which I teach is very important. But this is actually a very good summarized format of one single MCQ, and I will recommend that you by heart all these things. Now,